Hi.
Happy Friday. Happy Friday.
Like I saw,
Happy Friday, guys.
guys are next Saturday.
You're matching. You must have gone together.
I know.
I love the outfits. I love the trumpet.
You got any questions? You good?
Yeah, I just decided if I wanted to do the Possum Lake Loop or the Yellow Breeches Ramble.
This is pretty suburban. This is pretty rural. If you like a little rural, you might want to do this. You pick up a little climb up in here.
Yeah. Is that where the cabins are?
It's mostly farms up in there.
Oh, okay.
For the route, it's under 1,200.
Yeah. And then,
And the rest stop's beautiful because it's in the pavilion right there at the lake.
oh, nice. And then what about the Yellow Breeches Ramble?
You follow the yellow. It's a little less climb. It's pretty flat actually. It gets a little suburban because you pick up this
Through
down
town
in,
and
yeah. This you don't have any of that.
Yeah.
So it's just a call.
Yeah. Okay.
If you don't mind the 1,200 feet, let's say a climb, I would
Well, I
suggest
mean, it's not that much different.
No, look at 100 feet.
it's going to ride different.
Does it? Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
it rides flat
Most
largely.
of my rides are.
This you pick up a little climb right up in here.
Yeah. So I've been riding like 20 miles every day, but my climb is like 800 feet, you know. So I guess that might work out though, right? For another 9 miles, the other 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
If you want to do the orange, you'll follow the orange markers.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to do the yellow, you'll follow the yellow. Head out the parking
Yeah.
lot down here, and the routes are on Ride with GPS as well.
Oh, okay. Is it? Where do I get the GPS route from? Is it in the app or something? Or?
Yeah, I think they're out on Ride with GPS.
Ride with GPS. That's, oh, that's okay. I think I remember using that before.
Yeah.
All right, great. Thank you.
Yep.
I can't maintain it.
Well, you got it all, the bike and the car. Hi.
Good morning. How are you today?
Great, thank you guys.
No problem.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks for coming.
Oh yeah, wouldn't miss it.
Most fun you can have with your clothes on, right?
Yeah, especially now.
Yep.